Are you facing your account is frozen in Telegram? In this video, I will guide you through how can you fix this. Why the account is frozen. Before May 2025, if someone break any rules or violate any rules, Telegram directly delete their account. After May 25, Telegram freeze account instead of directly deleting it. To unfreeze it, tap on understood. Then search the username as I am searching. From here, tap on menu, then click here. In my case, I don't have any problem in my account. Here, Telegram will ask you some question. Answer all the question as honestly and in details as possible. Once you submitted the appeal successfully, the bot will send you a message like this. If the bot did not send such a message, it means you did not fulfill one of its requirements or fulfilled it incorrectly. After submitted the appeal, Telegram will unfreeze your account or Telegram will leave your account frozen. Then after some days, Telegram will delete your account. Remember, once Telegram delete your account, you cannot create a new account with the same number. So submit the appeal honestly to unfreeze your account. That's how you can unfreeze your account. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.